Hey guys, today we're going to make this really easy, really quick vegetarian chili. It is so delicious and it comes together in not even 15 minutes. So I've just got a whole bunch of canned beans. I've got pinto beans, black beans, kidney beans. I've also got some tomato paste, some garlic. I had some onion in the fridge, so I'm also just going to throw that into the pot. So I'm just rinsing out the beans, get all that goo off the beans. So I just do that a few times. And then we're going to head to the stove. Alrighty, so we're just gonna fry up our garlic, add in the onion, whole chilies, whole cumin seeds, our tomato paste, put in the water, and then our spices. So I'm gonna use everything but the elote seasoning by Trader Joe's, salt, black pepper, turmeric, red chili powder. You can also use sriracha if you'd like. I'm also gonna add in a whole bag of frozen corn, and I'm just gonna let this cook. It's gonna cook and thicken up pretty quickly. You can top it with whatever you want. I topped it with some cheese, some cilantro, tortillas, tomatoes, and some cut up chilies. You guys, this is so yummy. I really hope you try it.